We had a situation where we had death in the family before I joined the Diaspora funeral cash plan.
Yeah.
And one of my friends, Priscilla, introduced me to Diaspora funeral cash plan because we had when this death happened in the family.
Yeah.
We couldn't afford to pay for the funeral. It was so expensive. I decided to cover them because I realized that if death will come suddenly without you even knowing that somebody's gonna die, and you won't have the money. So I thought I would rather cover everybody with the Diaspora funeral cash plan. Before my mom's passing, I personally was covered on a 10,000, and then because of the service and how the Diaspora funeral cash plan in the UK and in Zimbabwe, the way they treated us, I decided to increase my money to 20,000. To my friends and family and everyone out there, my advice is never underestimate a diaspora death, because if somebody happens to die in the family, whether you are in Zimbabwe or in the UK or the US, or anybody who is a Zimbabwean citizen who is in the diaspora, if you have a diaspora funeral cash plan policy, you don't have to borrow from friends, from even ending up going on GoFund, which will take about 2 weeks or more. I encourage everybody, especially those people in the diaspora, to have a diaspora funeral cash plan policy. The other thing with diaspora funeral cash plan is the application for that policy is very simple. They don't ask a lot of questions. They don't need a lot of things. It's just they don't even need any medical history. Then the claim process it's within. My one was within, I would say, I rang them up at 9 a.m. in the morning. They put 500 pounds in my sister's eco-cash, and that was within, I would say, 2 hours. By 12, everything else was paid. It was within 12 hours. I wouldn't say 24 hours. It was within 12 hours. Me having a diaspora funeral cash plan, it took away a lot of burden.